knew, Pakistan knew, the world knew how India rained fire on Pakistan and had avenged Pahalgam during Operation Sindoor. Now, the top commanders of our forces in the government have lauded the military might displayed during Operation Sindoor. In a massive disclosure, Air Chief Marshal AP Singh has categorically stated that India shot down 5 Pakistan fighter jets and 1 large military plane. The Indian Air Force Chief hailed it as one of the largest ever recorded surface-to-air kills.
Our air defense systems have done a wonderful job. The S-400 system, which we had recently bought, has been a game changer. The range of that system has really kept their aircraft away from their weapons like, those long-range glide bombs that they have.
Air Chief Marshal AP Singh also confirmed severe damage to airbases in Pakistan, including the Jacobabad airfield that housed F-16 jets.
The SAGW systems, mostly from, I'm talking about fighter aircraft, are from S-400. We have at least 5 fighters confirmed kills and 1 large aircraft, which could be either an ELINT aircraft or an AWNC aircraft, which was taken out at a distance of about 300 kilometers.
The revelation by the IAF chief bolstered India's claims of Pakistan begging for a ceasefire. The magnitude of damage inflicted by India can be imagined as some of the Pakistani airbases hit by India are still not operational. For far too long, skeptics across the world, in Pakistan and even in India itself, had doubted the efficacy of Operation Sindoor. Now, with the Air Force chief spelling out quantifiable wins, will the naysayers finally hold their tongue? Bureau Report, India Today.